verse 19. Now this is the testimony of John when the Jews sent priests and Levites from Jerusalem to ask him, "Who are you?" He confessed and did not deny, but confessed, "I am not the Christ." And they asked him, "What then? Are you Elijah?" He said, "I am not." "Are you the prophet?" And he answered, "No." Then they said to him, "Who are you, that we may give an answer to those who sent us? What do you say about yourself?" And he said, "I am the voice of one crying in the wilderness, make straight the way of the Lord, as the prophet Isaiah said." Now those who were sent were from the Pharisees, and they asked him, saying, "Why then do you baptize, if you are not the Christ, nor Elijah, nor the prophet?" John answered them, saying, "I baptize with water, but there stand one among you whom you do not know. It is he who, coming after me, is preferred before me, whose sandal strap I am not worthy to loose." These things were done in Bethabara, beyond the Jordan, where John was baptizing. So nagpadala ang mga Hudyo ng mga pari at Levita para tanungin si Juan kung sino siya. Dapat sila ang nakakaalam na may mensahe ipadala para sa tuwirin ang daan ng ating Panginoon Jesus. Sila dapat nakakaalam sa kasulatan, pero dahil nga sa inggit, nais nila ibaba si Juan. Pero kung tutuusin, mas mababa ang tingin nila sa ating Panginoon Jesus. Sabi nila sa ibang aklat, "Hindi ba anak ito ng karpentero at ni Maria?" Ang importante, ano ang tingin ng Diyos kay Juan? Sabi nga ni Jesus sa Matthew 11 verse 11, "Assuredly I say to you, among those born of a woman, there has not risen one greater than John the Baptist." Si Juan ay mapagkumbaba, si Jesus ang kanyang tinataas. Sa ating paglalakbay bilang Kristiyano, nakikita na tayo ay mapagkumbaba, lalo pagkaharap ang mga kapatiran. Pero sana kahit sa pribadong buhay natin, mapagkumbaba pa rin tayo. Mag-ingat tayo, nakikita ng Diyos ang ating puso. At alam niya ang tunay na kalagayan natin. Mapalad din ang mga Hudyo dahil si Jesus ay nasa kanilang kalagitnaan. Sa iglesyang ito, tinuturo din si Jesus bilang tagapagligtas Sunday after Sunday. Sumampalataya na ba kayo sa Kanya? Abot kamay natin ito. Dahil dito, tinuturo si Jesus. Ngunit tulad ng mga Hudyo dahil sa unbelief, kinapos. Sana hindi ito mapabilang sa ating kalagitnaan.